nobody gets with me, cuz. I mean, like, off the top, look. Shorty, close your mouth, open eyes, fucking stunning shit. I'ma tell you like this, need everything hit, but a bitch. I ain't trying to be funny or trying to be slick. It's what it is, the way you want to deal with the kid. Okay, you say that he child, they say he's immature, but I won't child as an immature. When I took you on the tour, I had this young nigga get down. When I bang out, I bang out. I don't play, yeah, I go crash out. If I crash out, won't you crash now? Hey, off the top, what you play a spade? See that spade still be a spade. See that shit you talk, ridiculous shit every day, constantly. Yeah, I shut my mouth, I know a female gonna be a female. Hey, yeah, what it is, I'm a grown man. Stay in my lane while these boys playing. And these dykes wanna keep saying shit, let them say it, let them go bang it out. But I know some dykes who really banging now, and they ain't playing around. Niggas say they banging since you ganged up, come set it. I ain't playing with nan nigga on my track, I rip, I said it, and I meant it. I ain't playing AV on lock shit, I meant it. King shit, king round, I ain't playing shit, you get gunned down. Night flame, aviate, baby. I don't play no games, it ain't no if, buts, and maybes. Night flame is off the chain with niggas talking crazy, but hold up, I dunk and glide from the line like Clyde Jackson. Hold up, but I was tall like Cambridge. Niggas wanna get it, but I swear to God, I'm smart, but fuck college like Cambridge. Niggas talking all that dumb shit, I eat cornbread, still small, bitch. Niggas talking crazy, judge your book by all its covers. So that cover looking tattered, yeah, that tattered, that's this cover though. Niggas talking crazy, but I ain't stunned, this is my cover, folk. Gangsta shit, bang out, talking that crazy shit. I'm drained, but I ain't playing with drain niggas now. Niggas won't talk ridiculous shit behind my back where I go again. Niggas talking crazy, hostile, here you go again. I'm hot here, you already know it. So why that bullshit that you talking, playing cards and blow for home, I invite you to stop shit. I don't play no game, I'm back on the block, bitch. Yeah, my mama and my girl say somebody gon' pop this. Shoot me in my shit, cause my attitude smell like shit. And I ain't playing with that nigga, I told them all to suck my dick. Y'all won't worry about that shit when I was getting it. In for the squad that y'all was fitting in. I ain't even tripping for. Since you wanna shit on me, then toilet up and let it go. Yeah, the toilet bowl, I know I is. I don't play no games here off the top. I tell you about my life and it's easy and it's vivid. See the paint drip. Nigga knife flame off the chain, but yeah, I'm hurt as fuck though. Niggas talking crazy like a wall, I'm hard as fuck, folk. I'm tired of niggas keep pointing fingers, poking jazz, but listen, they don't show the damn note up. Playing that game like show up, go ahead and throw your notes up. I told the niggas I ain't playing, go and bow up. Flex if you want a board and bust a blood vessel. Playing no game, nigga, I'm the sub your damn vessel. Captain the shit, playing no game, bruh. If them niggas got a problem, tell them stay in they lane, bruh. See, I told them niggas, since my brother locked in the pen, I'ma make it rain on you niggas. And I ain't talking with this pen. Off top, mighty and what? You talking crazy, boy. Off top, the shit that I say can go ahead and get you touched. I'm a beast, bitch. Now it's time that these bitches see this. All that crazy shit, I got bitches on these to eat dick. 1, 2, 3 shit, 3, 2, 1, here she go. She ain't playing games and shit, she sucks slut like a fucking pro. Bang out, drain shit. I ain't playing with that motherfucker. I'm man for dyke, a man, bitch. Fuck out of here, man. I'm AV8 703 Night Flames, aka the North Star, nigga.